In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add user authentication in Lovable and securely set up your Lovable account with ease. If you're looking to enhance the security of your application by integrating a reliable authentication system, you're in the right place. Stay tuned as we walk through these steps together. First, you'll want to open up your browser and navigate to the Lovable website. If you're a developer aiming to streamline your project management or enhance your app's functionalities, Lovable is your go-to platform. Once you're there, you'll need to select the project you wish to work on. Take a moment to ensure you've chosen the correct one, especially if you handle multiple projects, to avoid any mix-ups. Next, it's time to connect your project to Supabase. This connection is crucial as Supabase will serve as the back-end infrastructure for handling your authentication processes. Supabase offers a user-friendly interface designed to manage your back-end seamlessly, providing an excellent choice for developers. After establishing the connection, you'll want to focus on selecting the appropriate organization within Lovable. Think of an organization as a hub for managing all associated projects and resources under one umbrella, which is particularly handy when collaboration or managing multiple projects. Now go to the AI chat within Lovable. In the chat, type the command, connect the sign-up login page with backend with Supabase, provide me with the site and redirect URLs. Executing this command ensures that your sign-up and login functionalities are correctly linked with the backend provided by Supabase. Supabase will then give you specific URLs that you must use to complete the setup. With the URLs now at your disposal, it's time to switch over to Supabase. Make your way to the organization section that you've just connected to. This ensures continuity and manages the same resources across your platforms. Once inside Supabase, look for the Authentication section. This is where you'll configure the site and redirect URLs you got earlier. Accessing the URL configuration page will allow you to set everything up precisely. For the next step, you will set the site URL to be the main URL of your application. This step is vital for ensuring that users interacting with your app are directed to the right place. Finally, add the redirect URLs for both development and production. Doing this is essential because it maintains the flexibility needed to test new features in a development environment without affecting your live production environment. With this dual setup, you can efficiently manage your app's lifecycle without risking downtime or disruptions for your users. And that's it. Your user authentication system should now be up and running and Lovable with a robust Supabase backend, enhancing both the security and functionality of your application.